Hi guys, this is Emo, and I wanted to do a simple tutorial on how to install the new Netflix Party extension and kind of give a quick look as to what that looks like when you are watching Netflix. So first thing you need to do is just in Google search, make sure you're using Google Chrome. It only works with Chrome and it doesn't work with any other browser as of now. So in your Google Chrome browser, just type into Google Netflix Party extension. Very simple. This should pop up, so just click Netflix Party Google Chrome, and it'll take you to the extension, the Chrome Web Store, and just go ahead and add the extension to your Google browser. So that's good. Once your extension has been added, it will pop up this little icon here is NP, and it's all grayed out for now. This will just the NP will light up once you are on Netflix and ready to watch a show. So I'm just gonna close that notice and then go directly to Netflix right now. So now that I'm on Netflix, you can now select whatever show you want to watch. And once you have selected, what's popular? Okay, Love is Blind is popular. Once you've selected, I think this is episode 1, you can go ahead and play that episode. I'm going to push pause because I don't want to get into any trouble with Netflix. So pause your video, and then if you look on your at the top of your browser, you would notice that now the NP is in red. This means you are ready to have your party and watch whatever you're watching with friends. Click on that icon, and then you will see this notice. This is just, I guess, first checking with you who has control over what you're watching. If you click only I have control, that means you, the host, are the only one that can start the video, pause the video, stop the video, rewind, fast forward, whatnot, while you and your group is watching. But if you leave it open, that means anyone who joins your party will have the power to stop, play, rewind, and so on, which can get quite annoying if you are having a pretty big Netflix party with more than 2 people. Whether they pause it by accident or, rewind by accident, fast forward by accident, all of that will be possible if you leave this open. So choose wisely. And then start the party. Once you start the party, you click show your chat, so that way you're able to chat with friends while you watch. And then you can copy this link and share this link with your friends. They would need this link in order to join your party. So once you have shared this link, all you have to do now is wait for your friends to join. Each person that joins will be able to have an icon. I'm gonna change my icon because, yes, this is cooler. Change your icon. You can even add your name, so that way you know who is who in your chat room. And then once your friends join, they may say a quick hello and their icon should start popping up here in the chat. And then you can go ahead and start your video, and everyone is able to watch all together at the same place, and comment on whatever you're watching or just chat with each other. So that's it. Pretty simple, pretty fun. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and hopefully we can get to watch some Netflix series or movies together sometime soon. Alright guys, I'm out. Bye!